How software development works. We are going to be using Sdlc to know how this software development works. The full meaning of Sdlc is Software Development Life Cycle. So, as a developer, you should be able to know this development life cycle. So, we have 6 development life cycle under software development. The first thing here is planning. We need to understand the problem before we start doing anything at all. When you are given a job, help me and develop this system, help me and develop this app. What you need to do as a developer is to what? Plan. Understand what the software is trying to solve. What is the application is trying to solve? Because software developers, their main objective is to solve problems. Then the second software development life cycle is designing. That is creating the UI. What do you mean by UI? User interface. You should know how to design how the interface looks like. Do you want to make it an interactive that users find it easy to move around with? So you should be able to what? Designing the interface. That's the second stage, design. When you plan, then you design. The third stage is coding. Coding is the writing of the actual program. That is where we write codes. We have many programming languages that we use today. That is where you put down and write your code. Then testing. Testing is when you start checking for errors. You run the code that you write, you check whether there is error, anything that is not working well, then you what? Correct it and make it work. That is, this one is being done under testing. Then we have deployment. After you have already planned, you have already designed, you have already coded, and you have already tested, then you deploy it, releasing the software for use. You can now give it out for people to use. Then they will use it, then observe some other things. If it